you're trying to boil the ocean, and it just doesn't work. So a lot of organizations that I've met with in the past, they think that they have to do everything at once, whether it's when they're starting up a new system or transferring to a new technology to operationalize what they're trying to do. The problem with that is you need to prioritize. You need to understand, if I only had 5 things that I could do to affect this asset, what are those most critical 5 things? What are my most critical assets that I need to keep in a current uptime running perspective? What's the consequence of if those things start to fail? And putting that together, you can strategize and prioritize what data sets you really need to create and maintain, and in this case, clean up so that you've got an active inventory that you can count on. And in this case, if you're giving your maintenance techs and others less data that they have to update and maintain, as well as the potential through mobile technologies, et cetera, to automate some of that data collection and accuracy, then you can really have a strong system that people can believe in. Because as soon as a tech or two gets some information and they see that it's bad, they're going to start using their manual systems again and going back to the old ways, which then creates waste, extra time to complete the tasks, etc., and the whole system falls apart. So you just need to be very strategic about the data you maintain.